A reliable person is someone who can be relied upon to do something without any doubt. They are dependable and trustworthy. The word reliable has many different meanings but usually means that something will not change nor go away, it will stay the same until the end. An individual is said to be reliable when they are dependable, trustworthy, and safe. A person who is reliable will almost always do the right thing. They won't disappoint others or act recklessly. They can be counted on no matter what situation occurs. A person is considered reliable when they are able to be trusted in their day-to-day living. This may be in the form of doing what they say they will do, or behaving in a predictable manner. A person who is not reliable might lie about what they did, or behave in an unpredictable manner. A reliable person is someone who you can depend on to be there for you when they say they will, and to do what they promised. The word reliable applies not only to people but also to computers, cars, and other things that keep a promise. A person is reliable when they are honest and responsible. A person who is reliable can be relied on, trusted, and followed. A reliable person or entity is one who can be trusted to supply something that they promised. They are dependable and can be relied on to provide what is requested of them.